The drafters of the United States Constitution understood separation of powers as a tool to prevent any one person or political body from becoming too powerful. And they wrote clear separation of powers into the Constitution. So how can administrative agencies, which often perform legislative, judicial, and executive functions, act constitutionally? The United States Supreme Court considered that question in the 1975 case of Withrow versus Larkin. The Wisconsin Medical Examining Board licensed all medical doctors in the state. The board, made up of practicing medical doctors, also had the authority to investigate and discipline doctors, including the authority to suspend or revoke a medical license. The board investigated Dr. Dwayne Larkin, whose practice primarily consisted of performing abortions, for possible violation of medical standards. After the board had completed its investigation, it notified Larkin that it would hold a hearing to determine whether Larkin had committed violations, and if so, whether his license should be suspended or revoked. Larkin then sued the board's chairperson, Dr. Harold Withrow, and the board in federal court. The court issued a temporary restraining order prohibiting the board from adjudicating the matter. The board then held a final investigatory hearing and afterward issued a finding that Larkin had engaged in unprofessional conduct and criminal acts. The board suspended his license pending revocation proceedings. A three-judge district court panel ruled that by both investigating and adjudging Larkin's case, the board had unconstitutionally denied him due process. The court issued a preliminary injunction prohibiting the board from further acting against Larkin's medical license. The board then appealed to the United States Supreme Court.